Hello, entrepreneurs. I'm Daphnee Lagredelle, business strategist, owner of Central Financial Services LLC. You can contact us at 215-302-4245 Monday to Thursday from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Eastern Time, or go to DaphaneeLagredelle.com. This is where you can find me, work with me, and ask me all the questions that you need. Don't forget to follow me on all social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. So today I'm going to talk to you about some of the things that you need to record a nice video to put on Instagram or TikTok or on Facebook. So I'm going to give you everything, and you will have a bonus behind the scene if you go and follow me on Instagram. So to record content, basically you need this piece. This piece right here is so important, and let me get the information about how. I bought it from Amazon, of course. It was like $7, and it come that way, and the name of the company is Vasta, so you can get it from Amazon for $7. So what do you do? And the first number thing is this, or your iPhone or your Android or smartphone. Then you will need lighting. I have two ring light. We will see that behind the scene, and an extra lamp, and also my light, my regular light in my office that I will show you everything that you need. If you don't have a nice place, you can purchase what we call a backdrop from Amazon as well, and you can use that to record your videos and make sure that you have plenty of lighting and make sure that your video looking great. If you have to do editing, we can talk about that also. So this piece right here is so important, and one of the things is I'm gonna show you right here. I have this extra here that I use if I am recording something very short on my desktop. As you can see, it can get longer, as you know, a little bit longer if you need to. So what do you need to do when you purchase this piece? You just add this piece right here, right? You just add this piece right here, and you're going to turn it around. You're going to put your video. Let's say, for instance, if you're using a video for Instagram, so you're going to put your phone that exact way, so it will ship, that way. If you're doing a video for YouTube or Facebook, so you're going to add your phone here and you're going to ship it in a different way. So let me show you exactly what I am talking about. So let's say, for instance, if I'm using my cell phone to record video for Instagram, so I'm going to use this. I will open it right here. This is the little extra box, knob. And then you're going to just add your phone. You're going to measure it. You're going to give it a little bit of a knob. Use the knob for a little bit of a space. And right here also, I'm doing that. And you're going to use it that way. So basically, if you're recording, you're going to use for Instagram, for TikTok, you're going to add your phone this way, and you're going to record. Now, let's say if you want to record on YouTube and for Facebook, you're going to add the phone this way, and you will record, and that will give you the dimension. You need to know the dimension to record on Instagram, on YouTube, and also on Facebook. And when you do that, also you will need a thumbnail. Thumbnail is what going to make the video look so attractive, so people can see, hey, this is my video, this is what I'm going to talk about. Welcome in and come watch. So this is exactly what I wanted to talk to you about. And if you want to see behind the scene, all the lighting that I'm using for my videos, you can know. Now, before you go, let me tell you the extra beautiful thing you can use right now is the gimbal. You can purchase that on Amazon between $100 to $200, and it will do the trick for you. You will just add your phone, and it will turn it in a different angle, the 360 way that you want, and it will look like a movie. You will need to charge it, and it comes with a charger you can buy on Amazon. And I'm going to add a new video about how to use the gimbal. It's so amazing. you need everything. And the other thing also that I would tell you to do, if you are at home, you have your business your desktop at home, you will need an extra of this just to hold your phone. Why you need that is because when you're talking to people, sometimes, you know, if you don't have one of these, you can purchase them at Amazon.com, put it on your desktop, or you can use this little baby here and you just add the phone. And if you're talking to someone, you just can add it there and talk to people. So there are a lot of different gadgets that you can get on Instagram. You can look on Instagram for different gadget. And for people who are just getting started, if you don't have lots of money, we have like extra lighting you can purchase. I think it was $4.99. It's a little bit, you know, if you want to do something, you just add it on the phone and you can use it to do. So I don't want to hear any excuses about people telling me, well, they're not equipped enough to go and do video content. Let me tell you something. People are watching videos. Your text and everything else you're doing, it matters, but hey, people are not watching them. So I hope this video can help you. Don't forget to follow me on all social media platforms. I'm Daphnee Lagredelle, the social business coach, business strategist. It's been a pleasure. Ciao.